Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon maglalaro tayo ng horror game Roblox, The Watchtower. Pero bago tayo mag-start, huwag niyo munang kalimutan mag-subscribe para cool. Tara na.
Kasama na naman ako guys.
So let's go na, let's go.
Tara Alex, tara. Diyan yung Alex yung pangalan mo dito.
Dito nga. Ay, escape.
Mag-join ka na.
Kung kasama ka.
Nag-leave ka dyan.
Teka lang, ayusin ko. Magre-rejoin ako guys, magre-rejoin ako. Tara na. Ay, pala naman. Hintayin natin sila, may maglalaro din eh. Hintayin natin.
Kadila kaming dalawa. Kabidyo na yan. Ayun, wala na. Tatapusin natin to. Hindi ka na pwede mag-join dahil dalawa
Si
lang.
Aubrey, di ka na foot-foot. Ano? Abu! Abu!
May time kasi talaga bago umalis.
Greetings from Green Pine Forest. Parang ano to, Iron Barn Lookout sa Pisto Patmos. Parang Iron Barn Lookout. Ito yung Tower 11, tapos ito yung ano, Tower 12. Parang Iron Barn Lookout.
Yan. Parang ganyan.
Yung sa Pisto Patmos, parang ganyan. Para talaga Iron Barn Lookout.
Ano ba to? May flashlight tayo.
Ito jumpscare, may bayad niya. Siyempre. Hindi mawawala ang Game Pass. Uy, wag ka kasi ano, kaya napapasag cellphone mo. Ito mga wala pang kabasag-basag cellphone ko.
Ba't kay mama may basa din?
Eh, siyempre, nalalaglag. Yakin, hindi naman kasi parang Iron Barn Lookout na.
Ano gagawin natin? Pick up na.
Parang Iron Barn Lookout. Bagay naman kumuha ng karakter. Para talagang Iron Barn Lookout. Das dito mo kakausapin yung ano.
Ayun. Huwag mo yung kuha niya maskara mo yan. Bukas yan.
Oh, bayad yan, alam ko.
Ganti na lang. Saan ba yung saan?
Ayun na. Ayun na, parang talagang Iron Barn Lookout.
Hey, are you there?
Uy, talaga! Para talaga nga yun.
Ay, gagaya ka na ano? Kay Christian PH.
Oo, yung piece of partner. Hey, I'm here. I can hear you. You over.
This is Watchtower 8 checking out for the night. See you tomorrow. Over.
TikTok pa tayo, Alex!
Para talaga nga yun. Ginaya siguro.
Alex, paano hindi tayo di ba?
Hindi na. Paano tayo makipag-usap yun?
Yun yan, tignan mo yun.
Okay. Check ba natin temperature? Ano?
Sige na,
I can eat already. Maybe there's some food around there. Gabi pala talaga ngayon Barn Lookout.
Ayun, ito yung ang liit naman kasi.
Eh, nasa ano lang tayo, tower. Pizza could warm this up in the oven.
Ang liit, oh. Saan? Saan ba yan?
Take the pizza and put in the oven.
Ito. Eh, may buy eh. Sabihin, bibiliin ko ba yan? Yan.
This should be easy, like no one even hikes this lake.
Parang ganun. Parang ganito talaga. Yeah.
Ginagaya siguro.
Asan yung fire stick na yun?
Saan nga ba pupunta? Ano, luto niya.
Pizza? Pizza yan. Oo, nakita ko yan. Okay. Kuna ako na. Sarap niya. Kuna naman yung makita. Ito na. Wow! Ubus agad yung pizza. Ito, gumayan ba eh? Sabihin mo. Oh, may tinatigil na food. Yan ako ah.
Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Copy. This is Tower 7. I can hear you. Over.
I need your help. I'm lost, and something's chasing me.
Okay.
Bahala ka dyan. Di na kami pupunta. Wala na kung tiwala.
Oh, wala. Ang sarap talaga dito. May airtech pan. Oh, may orasan pa tayo. Madaling araw na.
What do you mean? What is chasing you?
Ako yun.
I don't know. Please help me. I'm going to die.
Paano na namin ikaw mag-help? Sige, kausapin ka natin.
Okay, hold on. I'll turn on the flooding light. Came to the tower.
Pupuntahan ba natin?
Some outside. Ito.
Outside. Ano ba ito? Sige. Ina mo!
I see it. I'm coming to you. Thank you.
Nagulat naman ako doon. Kala ko.
Look, I don't know what happened out there. I just wanted to go camping. You know, a few days for myself. This whole trip was a mistake.
Nagulat naman ako doon.
I'm sorry. I'm just rambling. I will leave you to continue doing whatever you do.
Hello, Alex. Nandito ako. Saan ba talaga yung lagdan ng dito natin?
I'm at a fork in the trail. It says I'm leaving Blackrock Cave area. What direction do I go?
Di ko alam, kapintat.
Tingnan natin. Doon tayo pupunta? Ha? Ang layo naman. Ano?
Hindi tayo pupunta. Go right. Over.
Right. Got it.
Lakas naman ng bunganga mo. Nahamap ko lang. Bakit nga ako mag-play?
Okay.
Takbo! Tara daw, takbo! Takbo!
Saan tayo? Dito kami sa
Putak, what?
May nanyan doon ah. Ano? Okay, tama. Welcome to your life.
Hello, I is here. Could you repeat what you said?
Nakabana ako.
Over.
What? I didn't say anything. You feeling all right up there?
Sumila yung natin baso. Nakabana.
What the heck is that?
What? What was that? Did you hear that?
Oo, may tenga kami.
Seryoso. Was probably just a tree falling. Keep following the trail.
No, no. Are you crazy? That was not just a tree.
Hey, may lamo kami. Lang.
Okay, I might have lost it, but the path splits again.
Oh, give me 1 second. 1.
Please be fast. It's very cold out here.
Hindi, sa zero pa tayo.
Another pork, huh? I see. He needs to go right again. You need to right again. Eventually, you will pass a small lake. Over.
Right, thanks.
Hintik naman ang brightness to. Lumalabo pusa.
Yay, mama. Ito lang, wala.
Ayun. Ligtas lang siya.
May naiilaw natin.
Are you looking in the woods?
Ang gagawin?
Tara, buksan daw natin yung ilaw. Ikaw na magbukas. What? Why won't the floodlight work? I'll try again. I'm not seeing anything. This is bad. Tago.
Only you.
Why did I think this was a good idea?
Eh,
Shouldn't
tinulungan
this
lang
be
kita.
fun?
Kailangan natin ng matulong eh. Dapat hindi
What about you? Aren't you scared being in that tower sometimes?
I guess
I guess.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, okay.
I give you a chance to run.
Aris, dito.
Naman ito. Ano ba? Nang tinin mo, 12 pa. 12 pa. 12 pa.
Are you there?
Oo.
I found the lake. How far until I get to you?
Pag-ulit natin.
Wala namang lake dito. Isn't far anymore. Just keep following the trail. Over.
All right.
Wala namang lake. Yan ba yung lake? Doon? Ito. I don't know where it's going.
Hello? I'm close to the tower. It's chasing me. Please help.
Jumps.
What? Sino ba kasing mabay sa kanya? Dami pa kasing drama, hindi na lang sabihin sino ang mabay.
Dapat sunod-sunod na sabihin.
Hindi siya sumasakit. Ano nangyari?
I lost it. I can see you. I'm coming up.
Getting scared. Open the door for the camper.
Okay?
Hindi sa camper. Hindi sa camper. Huwag mong bubuksan. Hey, no. Buksan mo nga. Buksan mo. Si Satanas yan. Please, buksan mo.
Wala, patay.
Ano, don't forget to like. Ano, nakita nyo? Ha? Ha? Parang kayo hindi atamaan, ha?
No, dito naman tayo.
Ay, tara na, balik.
Wala. Isa lang yun.
Teka lang ha, teka lang. Ay, alam na natin to, natapos na natin to. So, nagpapaalam na tayo. Papaalam na tayo. So, dito na nagtatapos yung video na to. Huwag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe and yun lang. Bye-bye.